Minister, Mr. Vikram Redlapalli, Anandji, Mr. Priyadarshi, Anwarji, Mr. Shaleen, all the other guests present here. Let me begin by congratulating RDP for coming up with such an innovative product. In fact, the aspirations which Digital India or our own homegrown program like Digital Telangana espouse, they will just not be achieved in totality unless we make these kind of devices available to each and every household. Many of you will be aware that in Telangana we are creating a very unique system of connecting every household with broadband. We are now providing OFC cables to each and every household. There are 8.5 million households in the state. But we are also conscious that even if connectivity is brought to the doorsteps, it's not realistic to expect that people will start investing in devices immediately. Despite connectivity being there, people either may not value the importance of connectivity or they may not afford personal devices. And therefore, it is very important, on the one hand, to create value about what these digital connectivity can bring to their lives, but also to provide devices that are affordable and which people can buy. And therefore, a product like this, which is less than 10,000 rupees, and I'm very sure that when you start manufacturing in Telangana, we may come up with a scheme also, some kind of a financing scheme, so that these devices can be bought through some kind of a loan scheme or financing scheme by people who live in the villages, who are common people. Because parallelly, our digital literacy initiatives are also growing by leaps and bounds. In fact, today morning only I received news that today there are 6 villages in Telangana which are 100% digitally literate. We are now going ahead with the saturation model. To the best of my knowledge, no other state in the country today is following this approach. They are also trying for digital literacy, but it is happening in a random way. Our approach is to saturate one village and then move to the next one. And today morning I received information that the 5th and 6th villages have also been 100% made digitally literate. And we are doing this with lots of sincerity. In fact, any person who claims to be digitally literate is audited by a third party. And we have chosen Indian School of Business to be that third party. And we know the reputation of ISB, the methodical way in which they will be approaching this task. So we are very confident that if some person in Telangana claims that he is digitally literate, he is digitally literate. And I'm very sure that with digital literacy happening on one side, government creating more and more solutions and products to take G2C services to the people, and with affordable devices, we will be one of the foremost states to really roll out the ambitions of Digital India through our own Digital Telangana program. I'm very happy that RDP has announced its decision to start manufacturing here in Telangana. As some of you would be aware, we are one of the very few states which has a dedicated policy on electronic system manufacturing and design. And we'll be very happy to create a tailor-made package for RDP as and when it submits its manufacturing proposal to us. So look forward to other companies also emulating RDP, bring their manufacturing facilities here, and we'll be there all out to support this initiative. So thank you very much, RDP. Thank you to Intel and Microsoft also for supporting the product. As Anandji mentioned, there is no compromises made in the quality of the product. So that is something which everyone should keep in mind, that the price cutting has happened through perhaps innovations and product improvement and so on and so forth. And also happy that MATE is recognizing the quality and the value in this kind of thing happening here in Telangana. So thank you very much. And look forward to this product doing very, very well, not just in the markets in India, but eventually one day globally. Thank you very much.